So, we're looking at crop number 1, greenhouse tomatoes. This is a new variety this year called Rebelski. They were seeded on the 31st of January, transplanted into their fiber pots on the 14th of February, and they will be transplanted into their house probably in about a week and a half. Should be ready for harvest 6th of June. So everything's right on schedule. All right, so we saw tomato 1, these here, Rebelski again, tomato 2. They will be transplanted hopefully this weekend. We're looking at tomato 3, new variety, seeded on the 13th, Big Dina. I will seed another 2 Big Dina tomorrow for tomato 4. We have our first seeded hydroponic lettuce and some hydroponic greens. Crop number 1. Crop number 2 is just starting to emerge, and I will seed again this week, every week.